Hey guys, this time it's my face. That other picture wasn't my face, but it probably looks better than my face. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a unit sent in by Joe from my hometown, one of my hometowns of Ferguson, Missouri. Ferguson's gotten a little bit of attention in the national news a couple years ago, and I basically used to live right where it happened, so I'm kind of glad I don't live there anymore. This customer's requested just a standard FM conversion with no Bluetooth or USB or anything like that, so we're going to make everything work before we send her back. So let's turn it on. I got it set to FM at the moment. And I'm just going to go down all the presets. I've got them all preset to stations in my area.
To move forward on gun measure.
25 document. This meeting.
Okay, let's go to AM. We turn it off and then right back on for AM. And we get one strong station right about the center of the dial in my area.
Has been recognized for excellence in policy and this recognition comes from
okay, there's my and since we're on talk radio and I won't get nailed for playing songs, let's test the balance and fader functions. We use the original left-right balance control, all the way left, all the way right, and now we have what we call a virtual front-rear fader. That's on your tone control. To activate the virtual fader, you give your tone control 2 turns to the right. So the first thing we got to do is move it about to the center position so we've got room to turn to the right. And let's try this.
Intel has announced a major expansion.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust. Okay, so now the same control is adjusting your front rear speaker balance. Adjust it as long as you want. And then once you stop adjusting it, it'll wait about 2 seconds and it says fader set. Okay. Last thing to check is that we'll check the dial light first before we do the 8-track. Okay, I can just barely see it lighting up. You probably can't see it. I apologize for that, but there's just too much lighting in the room. And so let's try the 8-track. We got some Neil Sedaka here. We don't need this stuff anymore. Neil Sedaka. Gonna change tracks a bunch of times. Okay, I'm going to pull the tape out, and the radio comes right back, and so that takes care of that. She's ready to ship, and I'm ready to probably take the rest of the evening off. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. You can reach me for paying, repair, or conversion work only. Do not call me asking me how to fix your 8-track player. I mean, you guys don't call a mechanic shop. At least I hope you don't do this. Hey man, I'm having a little trouble replacing my timing wheel. You got a few minutes? No, don't do that with me. I do not welcome calls from do-it-yourselfers looking to sponge off of my knowledge. Send it in for service, get it done right by someone who knows what the heck they're doing. My website is in the description below. My phone number is 928-533-9666. Thanks for watching and listening. Thank you, Joe, for your business from my old hometown, one of them, and we'll see you guys next time.